Asteroid 1998 HH49. On 27 April 1998, astronomers discovered something. It was a huge asteroid, moving at 14.787 kilometers per second, 0.144 to 0.322 kilometers in diameter. It is an Apollo asteroid that orbits the Sun in the asteroid belt. It was last officially observed on 1 December 2021. According to astronomers, the closest approach of asteroid 1998 HH49 with the Earth is happening on Tuesday 17 October 2023 at 0:33 UTC time. At that time, the closest distance between the Earth and the asteroid 1998 HH49 is 1,173,407 kilometers, which is a distance equivalent to 3.050 lunar distances. Based on the latest high-precision orbit computations performed by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, it is confirmed that asteroid 1998 HH49 is not going to impact Earth in the near future.